Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about secure transmission and storage on virtual data room. So guys, let's start. Virtual data rooms software. Florida documentation solution is ideal for virtual data room software application. Virtual data room is an online software solution that companies can use to transfer sensitive information, manage confidential documents, or conduct business through a ubiquitous, highly secure, reliable, and paperless system. Florida can help ensure security and privacy for virtual data room for M&A, virtual data room for due diligence, and virtual data room for startups. Virtual data room software is for when companies need an environment data transmission such as mergers and acquisition, fundraising operation, IPO, strategic partnerships, IP management, audit and compliance, clinical trials and similar medical application, investment banking and other financial institutions, legal firms and litigation document management purpose. All of Florida's documents are protected by a hyper-secure 256-bit rank level encryption that is triple backed up of all. This prevent any unauthorized access to your system, offer protection against any risks of data loss. Also, all transmission between parties in virtual data room software are protected by SSL encryption, so you are not exposed to at any risk. Flexible workflow permission. If a company is to work on a clandestine deal or a project that needs the almost privacy, Florida gives client the option of varying degrees of access for user or user groups to ensure privacy and compliance. However, to ensure privacy and compliance, Florida can be used as virtual data room software to grant unlimited access to certain users, read-only access to others, and preview-only access. to some and none to everyone else. This way, collaborators can coordinate with each other to focus on the work. Supervisor can keep checks and preview only access, can keep other stakeholders appraised without introducing unwarranted interface to the system. Cloudread also lets you configure your workflow such that only one person can work on a single item at a time. The file will lock anyone else out and display a message that the file is locked, featuring the active user's ID and timestamp. You can also configure through castle. You can also configure files to retain versions as they evolve. Each version will carry unfeeded metadata as it evolves, so you can easily convert to an older version of a file if the need arises. Cloudread gives you complete control over how much access you grant to whom, so you are exactly are protected as you want to be. Preparing documents in virtual data room software means some content will only need to be shared for a limited time or might even require deletion after a certain amount of time has elapsed. In legal matters and large-scale corporate exchange, a document surviving past a certain timeline could turn into liabilities. To accommodate these scenarios, Cloudread lets you put an expiry date on how long a document or folder is shared with user after your configured time has elapsed. The document or